Hello and welcome. This is a channel to help you learn English in a simple and natural way. In this video, you will listen to English slowly and clearly. You don't need to understand every word. Just relax, listen, and follow the ideas. English is learned with time, patience, and practice. Let's begin. In this video, we will learn about how to start your day well. Starting the day well is not about doing many things at once. It is about creating a calm and clear beginning. The first moments of the day are important because the mind is open and quiet. What you do in this time can influence your thoughts and actions later. A good start helps you feel more in control. It prepares your mind for the day ahead. Many people begin the day in a hurry. They wake up late, rush through the morning, and feel stressed very early. This stress can stay with them for many hours. Starting the day well means choosing a different approach. It means slowing down, even if only for a few minutes. This small change can improve the entire day. One important step to start the day well is waking up with awareness. Instead of jumping out of bed, take a moment to notice your body. Feel your breathing and allow your mind to wake up slowly. This pause helps reduce stress and tension. It gives you a sense of presence and calm. Even 1 minute of awareness is enough. Another helpful habit is creating a simple and predictable routine. When you know what comes next, the mind feels safer. You do not waste energy making decisions early in the morning. Simple actions like washing your face or drinking water help your body understand that the day has started. These small habits bring structure and stability. Starting the day well also means taking care of your body. After sleeping, the body needs gentle movement. Stretching or walking a little helps activate your muscles. These actions improve blood flow and energy. You do not need exercise or effort. Simple movement is enough to feel more awake. Your morning environment also matters. A calm and clean space supports a calm mind. Too much noise or clutter can create confusion. Soft light and silence help you focus. When the environment is peaceful, it is easier to feel balanced and present. Another important choice in the morning is how you use technology. Checking your phone too early fills the mind with information. Messages, news, and notifications create pressure. Starting the day without screens helps protect your focus. It allows your mind to stay clear. This clarity is valuable for the rest of the day. A good morning also includes a moment of intention. This means thinking about what matters today. You do not need a long plan or many goals. One simple intention is enough. It can guide your actions and decisions. This gives the day a sense of direction. Starting the day well helps improve emotional balance. Mornings set the emotional tone of the day. When you begin calmly, you react better to problems. You feel less overwhelmed by challenges. This emotional stability helps you think clearly. It supports better communication and focus. A good morning routine also builds self-respect. When you take time for yourself, you send a message to your mind. You say that your time and energy are important. This builds confidence and self-care. It helps you feel more grounded. Over time, this habit strengthens your mindset. Starting the day well does not mean being perfect every morning. Some days are difficult or busy. What matters is doing your best with what you have. Even one small positive action is valuable. Consistency is more important than perfection. Small efforts still create progress. Morning habits also support long-term goals. They create a stable foundation for the day. When the beginning is calm, the rest feels easier. You manage your time better and feel more organized. This structure helps you stay consistent. Consistency leads to real growth. For people learning something new, mornings are very powerful. The mind is fresh and ready to absorb information. Listening or reading in the morning helps learning feel natural. Even a few minutes make a difference. This daily contact builds familiarity. It supports long-term learning. Starting the day well also teaches patience. You learn to value slow and steady actions. You stop rushing and start trusting the process. This mindset helps in many areas of life. It reduces anxiety and pressure. It brings more peace to daily routines. A good start creates momentum. When the first actions are positive, the next ones feel easier. You feel capable and prepared. This momentum supports productivity and focus. It helps you continue with confidence. Small wins early in the day matter. In conclusion, starting your day well is a simple but powerful choice. It does not require time, money, or effort. It requires awareness and intention. Small actions in the morning shape the rest of the day. When you start calmly and clearly, you give yourself the best chance for a good day.